This 2023 Newmar Bay Star 3225 is a Class A RV. It is located in Winter Garden, FL 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This new Newmar is 32 feet 11 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Burma Decor, Arctic Maple Glaze-MF Hardwood interior, Sleep 6, self-contained, air conditioning, auxiliary battery, TV antenna, skylight, TV, leveling jacks, refrigerator, awning, slide-out, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunk over cab, front dinette, front entertainment, front living area, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2023 Newmar Bay Star 3225 is built on a Ford F53 chassis. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.